Hooray! Woo! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone in the whole wide world. Look at us, beautiful young lady, guys. So today is our episode number 11, Empower Voices, our journey to freedom. So today, our guest honor will be Sis Shito. And before we introduce herself, my name is PB. I am now a retired registered nurse at age 45. Yay!
Yay!
It's
Awesome.
so
Yeah,
good, guys. It's so good to cut back to the
awesome.
year of my life. No boss. Amazing, amazing to have that freedom. And now I earn five-figure monthly income from home on thanks to our digital business. Hi, Sid Lian. Introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. This is Lian from Toronto, Canada, and I'm also retired at 55 years old as a healthcare worker, working more than 10 years, guys, with 2 to 3 jobs. I love traveling, and this business is giving us. And you are the one. If you join into our business, this is gonna be happen to you also. Our business is the one who's taking care of our expenses, guys.
Woo! Let's say hi to Nurse Donna.
Awesome, ladies. Hello, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. We're confused because now mostly we are doing this full time. We are home. We don't have the alarm clock. We are our own boss. So sometimes we're confused of what the day is. So yeah, coming at you live all the way from Ireland. It's just 3 minutes after 5 p.m. My name is Donna. I'm a nurse. First of all, I'm a wife. I'm a busy mom of teenage kids. And yeah, recently, well, during the height of the global pandemic, I started this business. I now work full time and prioritizing my family at the same time, earning on the side on this business. So yeah, nothing changes. If nothing changes, check us out. Thank
Yes,
Yes,
you.
hi.
yes.
And Sid Donna now. His son also business owner at the young age, guy, and they building family legacy together. That's so amazing, guy. Sid Marilu from Ireland.
Yeah, hi everyone. How are you all doing? Thank you again. And yes, my name is Marilu. Can't hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
You can
Good.
hear you? Sorry. Yeah, from Ireland, originally from the Philippines. And yes, I am boss free as well, but my bosses are my children. I am driving them around because of because of the flexibility that this business is giving me. I'm able to do whatever the activities they have. So yes, this business is giving me all the freedom that I'm looking for. So if you want to check it out, guys, just send us a message. Thank you.
Yes, guy.
Can
Truly
I add
blessed.
something? Yeah,
Yes.
guys, before we go to Sis Shetal, of course, I am proud that I already launched my foundation in the Philippines, helping 25 children in the Philippines,
Wow.
starting the school gonna be start soon. So we are happy because we added more kids. Yes, guys, in the Philippines.
That's
Good.
amazing. Guys, see
Awesome. Awesome.
how much business it can do for us, right? Not only for our own family, but Sidley and able to have her foundation and support 25 students with their education, guys. This is so much blessing that we can do with this business. Now, let's welcome our honored guest for today, Shishita from Abu Dhabi.
Hooray!
Hello,
Hooray!
Welcome.
hi, namaste from me. My name is Sheetal, and I am originally from Mumbai, India. I am a child of God. I'm a mother of 3 young boys. I am an educator by profession, and I'm still working as a teacher. And I've been in this profession for more than 15 years now, and I love what I'm doing. And now a proud digital business owner and mentor, and I call myself as teacherpreneur. And this journey as an entrepreneur has been amazing and awesome. And the way that I'm growing in these years from the time I have joined in is just awesome and awesome. And thank you, everyone over here, for inviting me. And it's a pleasure that I can come and share my journey and some insights about this business. Thank you.
Thank you
Our
so
pleasure.
much.
Yeah.
Truly honor and truly appreciate your time to be here with us. And I don't want get you guys waiting. Hi everybody for watching. Let's say hi to did you see Agnes guys? He say hello lady. Hooray hooray. Thank you so much, Sid Agnes, for being here to supporting us guys. So let's go to our first question. Sid Lien.
Okay. See, Shetal, since you get this business, so you started. So what do you think? This business, how you start this digital business?
Yes, that's a very, very good question. And everybody has their own why to start this business. And my why is also very, very unique. Basically, I was very happy as an educator. I was working full time and we were happy with whatever was coming in. It all happened when my eldest son was just finished his grade 12 and was entering into university. And we were looking there for some finances for his university admissions and his fees. And it was all during the pandemic time. The whole world went upside down. And we were one of them affected. My husband, who works in the oil and the gas field, he's been working in this field for more than 20 years, and he had a major pay cut. And living as an expat in any country that you're living, it's life is not easy. Things are expensive, and with 3 children, our expenses were just increasing, and we really did not have any saving. So we thought that we will be able to manage his admission fees and things like that by taking a loan. But with the pay cut, we were not able to do that. We couldn't approach any bank, and we were left in the middle of the road with nothing. And we questioned ourselves, what are we working for? From youth till our old age, we've been working and working, and we cannot give our own child what he deserves. And he's very good in academics. And it was a real slap on our face and awakening call for us, as myself and my husband. And by the way, we were looking for something that would support us financially. And God answered our prayers, and I came across this amazing digital venture through my social media news feed. Yes, I was hesitant, I was skeptical, but my why was very, very strong. I wanted to do something for my children, help my husband, do something for my mom to take care of her, do something for our golden years. We are not growing younger, we are growing older. So we need to have something for ourselves too. So all this thing made me to take that leap of faith, jump into and check what this digital business is. And I'm proud that I took that action.
Yay!
Congratulations. Hooray.
Congratulations! You know, you are business owner and guy. Do you know, with our digital business, we have 4 stream of income that you can earn with our business, right? Just like Sister here, right? She worked 15 years as a teacher and your husband worked for 20 years, you know, but like event happened, right? And then when you loosen or get cut down on your income, it really take a toll on our body, on our family financial, right? So with
Yes.
our digital business, you can run it on the side with the automation, and now you're building 4 stream of income that you can earn with our business. So amazing guys. So check it out. So let's go to our question number 2. Sitana.
Yes, of course. So this is very interesting question because a lot, even myself, has had this before I started. So how do you know if the business is legit?
Yes, this was the big question that I had in within me, because as we all know that everything that we see in the online space initially I believed was a scam.
Yeah.
But then when I took action, when I asked the necessary questions to my mentor, to my coaches, and I came to know that this business is a legitimate business. It's not a quick rich scheme. People pay taxes in whichever countries taxes are applicable. And one more thing that gave me the confidence was when I got my first pay check from this business, that gave me all the more confident that this is a legitimate business, and it has got a proven system that has worked for hundreds of people, thousands of people, you can say, and a community is growing each and every day. If it wasn't legitimate, we wouldn't be over here. There are nurses over here. There are people who worked as nurses who are retired because of this business. And I, being an educator, I set an example to my students in school. If it wasn't legitimate, how will I do this business? What example am I setting to my students in school? So this business is legitimate, scam free. It's not a quick rich scheme. If anybody says that you will start making money the next day that you start a business, please do run away from them. But this business, you need to work on it. You need to give your time. You need to be disciplined and be dedicated to it, work with a lot of perseverance. So this business is legitimate business.
Yes, guy. You know, like me from the United States, right? We register to the IRS and we get the 1099. That's our income that we earn from the business, and we pay taxes, guy.
Yeah.
And thinking about this on the check that I got from the business,
Woohoo!
it show you this business is 100% legit, and it helping me now. You know, after working 15 years at the registered nurse, be able to retire at age 45 and earn five-figure income monthly from home. How
Awesome.
amazing is that, right?
Yes,
Since
yes.
she told she a teacher, I am a nurse, Sid Donna a nurse, guy, Sid Lian healthcare worker, guy. So all of us from different walk of life, and nurses and teacher, we are trustworthy profession in our community, and we here show our face, show our families, right? So it's 100% legit, guy, and truly, this truly a God blessing business that we want to share with you so that you can transform your life as well. Truly, truly amazing.
Yes.
Sis Mary Lou.
Sorry, guys. Yeah. So yeah, the next question is it's always asked as well. Do you need to sell products or recruit people? Because this
Yes.
always asks as well.
Yes. It's like many people have this question. I too had this question that if it was selling any product or recruiting people, I am totally not good in it at all. I don't have any business background or any special technical skills. We don't need to sell any products. If you go on our pages and see our pages, we are not promoting any products. Yes, we are affiliated with a company which is just recently celebrated 50 years of being in the market, and that's an amazing achievement for each one of us as business owners. So we don't talk about any products. We are not recruiting any people. I am not good in recruiting people. I am not a salesperson. If it was like that, I wouldn't have joined this business. And so that's what I want to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think what
Yeah.
we offer really here is, the freedom lifestyle, right?
Yes.
The lifestyle that, we are our own boss. We can, because let's face it, we are now in
Yes.
the internet era, yeah, in a digital age, right?
Yes.
So with our business model, it's very different and very lucrative because it's online. You can operate this anytime and anywhere in the world. In fact, recently in June, myself and Sis PB, we were in Japan. We attended
Yay!
our global uh, 5 decades of our big company,
Convention.
although we are affiliated with some other different companies, right? But this one, what this is our main company. We were there, and then I was vacationing also in my home country in the Philippines. Imagine going on vacation for 6 weeks with my business. It's like business in a box. Your
Yes.
business comes with you wherever you go. And I
Yeah.
used to really dread every time we go on vacation. Oh my goodness, after 4 weeks vacation or whatever, coming back, you have credit card bills,
Work
right?
hard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to
Yeah.
double work because you have to pay off all the expenses that you have incurred on your vacation. But because we have this business, it is tax write off. because we're operating this on a global basis. So our flights, everything, like it's related to business, like our, if it's a business convention or whatever, you can tax write off this at the end of the year, right?
Mm.
And coming back after 6 weeks vacation, I wasn't confronted with credit card bills because for a start, we booked everything before we flew, right? So it's all been paid for. And coming back, we got checks from the business, not credit card bills.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
So
same
that's the
So
beauty of this business, that
yeah.
it's really awe-inspiring.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
goodness.
same here also. I had a 2 months vacation in the USA, and this is the one taking care of the expenses. And now again, approaching my 4 months vacation in the Philippines.
Oh.
Awesome.
Awesome.
See,
Yeah.
guys, we don't want to brag, but we just want
No,
to show you
we
how
want
this
to encourage
business,
people.
yeah, how this
Yeah.
business really transform our life.
Yeah.
Thinking about your 9 to 5 job or your 12 to 12, just like nurses like us, right? Take 2 week vacation, you have to ask your boss for permission.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just yes, sometimes it's a no, right? But sit down now, 6 week vacation, sit Lian, 2 month vacation, and 4 month vacation coming up. How amazing is that to experience the freedom and travel the world and enjoy life much more?
Mhm.
And again, because we are business owners, right? Like on your trip, your business tax right up. And I just want to share again to inspire you guys.
Yes.
2 week vacation in Japan. When we come back, we got 22 check. Ta ta la la
Hooray,
la.
hooray. Awesome.
So I just want to inspire you guys. 2 week
Yeah.
vacation coming back and have $22,000 earning from our business.
Wow.
How amazing is that?
Awesome.
Right?
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah.
My check also is
Yeah.
on the table, but I don't want to stand. I'm jealous
Awesome,
for
guys.
that.
No, I think this
It's
business
fun.
is not, that's why we're saying this, because we want to inspire
Yes.
more
Yeah.
people,
Mhm.
especially the hardworking moms out there, right? Like you cannot be everywhere, right? You cannot be like working hard and then attend to your kids. No. That's why when my kids were growing up, before I met this business, when you're working abroad, like, you have, of course, the bills, mortgage, and everything. You have to double work hard, right? Because the cost of living, everything is high. And that's why then that, my kids were growing up, like I missed a lot of their milestones because I'd be working Sundays because it's double pay. I'd be working nights, it's bigger rate. I'd be working long days. But now from full time, I'm just doing this 2 days a week at my leisure, and I prioritize my family. And again, this is very doable. It's just a shift of your mindset from an employee to an entrepreneurial mindset. And we are all here, the five of us, willing to hold your hand and check this out, and we can walk you through.
Yes,
Yep.
yes.
Truly,
Yes.
truly, guys.
Anytime.
Sit, Lian. Let's go to the next question, my dear.
Oh, me? Okay. I know that we are busy parents. Can you still do this business?
Yes,
Especially
yes.
you are teaching and you're a lot of anything to do around.
Yes, of course, you can do this business. Even if you're busy parent, working parent, even if you're working 9 to 5. Being an educator, I can tell you that we not only work in school, we bring back homeworks back home because we are preparing continuously for the next day. Even on weekends, we are working, planning things for the upcoming week for our students. So if I am able to manage with my teaching profession, there are busy or new moms in our community who just have like no babies are newborn babies. They are still doing this business.
Yeah.
And they are managing it so well. It's all in the mindset, like how Sis Donna said, it's all in your mindset. See, everybody has got 24 hours in a day.
Yeah.
Yes, if we want to give excuse, we can give excuse. If you want to do something for yourself, for your family, for your kids, you can remove time. Even if you feel that there is no time, you can still remove time and you can work on the business. And this business is so flexible that you do not need to work on a fixed schedule. You decide when you want to work on it. You decide whether you want to work 10 minutes, then give a break, again a 10 minutes, give a break. It's so flexible. You can do it. I do it even when I'm in school, when I have a free class with my mobile. If I have any queries, if I do want to make a content or something, I am working on my mobile. We've got Wi-Fi connections all across. Yes, everywhere you go to a mall, you go anywhere you go, there is Wi-Fi connection. All you need is your mobile
It's a
or
mobile.
to work on with the Wi-Fi connection, and you're good to go. Yes, busy parents can do this. It is doable. That's the reason I am doing it. And you don't have to be clinging on to your system or your laptop for 4 hours, 5 hours, or from morning to evening, or 3 hours continuously. No, it's so flexible, and there is nobody to ask you, have you, there is no, the best thing is we don't have any target to achieve, and there's nobody to bug you and to nag you like, no, why didn't you do this? Why it, you are your own boss, and you are deciding for yourself what you want to do, how you want to do the business. So that's what I want to share.
Yes.
Hmm.
So truly, guys, actually, the more busy you are, the more you need this business
Yes.
so that you can have the automation help
Mhm.
you to earn income 24/7,
Yeah.
right? Because like we know we only have 24 hours a day, right? Either you work 8 hours, 10 hours, or 12 hours. That's the time that you're trading time for money,
Yeah.
right? But with this system, with the automation that run 24/7, it helps you to earn income 24/7.
Yeah.
How amazing is that? And not
Yes.
only one stream of income, we have 4 stream of income, right?